All right, so now that we understand what read, draw, write is, let's practice it in action. And I just have a quick little checklist to keep track of my strategy. I'm going to write out my problem because I need to show it to you. So here we go. Shonda printed 38 photos to put in her scrapbook. If she can fit 4 photos on each page, how many pages will she use for her photos? Okay, I'm going to go back and read the problem. And I'm underlining and highlighting key information, especially highlighting what the actual question is asking. How many pages will she use for her photos? Since I have to write my answer in a statement, the next thing I like to do is rephrase the question as a statement with a blank at the bottom of my page, because that just always helps me to make sure that I answered with a statement. Next, you see me modeling out my problem. I made sure to label the who, Chandra. What we have is her scrapbook. Altogether in her scrapbook, we have 38 photos. And then I just counted up to 38 in increments of 4, since 4 photos can fit on each page. And I got up to 36, and I still had 2 more, and those 2 pictures needed to go on their own page. So when I was done, I ended up having 9 pages of 4 plus 1 more page of 2, which gives me 10 pages altogether. Then you see me going back to my read, draw, write model checklist to just double check that I did everything. I color coded it for you just to make it more obvious which part matched where. Quickly, here's just another way you could show it using a timeline. I'm cut for time because I need to go Zoom with you guys. But I decided to make a timeline. I made it go all the way to 38 because she has 38 photos. I labeled the timeline to represent Chandra's scrapbook. And then I counted up by 4s until I couldn't count up by 4s anymore because I only had 2 left. So I counted up by those 2 more. And then really you could use different equations as I'm trying to show you. You can use multiplication of 9 times 4 and then add those 2 remainders. Or you can count 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 until you, and then plus the 2. And then you just really want to make sure that you're keeping track of what is it that we're trying to figure out. And we're trying to figure out how many pages does she need. So in that case, the jumping over the numbers, the amount of times I jumped really is what was representing the different pages. Hope this helped. It was just a brief introduction. We will talk more about it in Zoom, and we will keep practicing it throughout our time together. Bye!